Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how you can change a YouTube channel name on a device very easily. But if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further delay, let us get started with today's tutorial. So in order to change your YouTube channel name, you want to simply make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, what we want to do is simply make sure you have downloaded the YouTube application. You can simply do this from the YouTube application itself. You won't need any third-party application and all. So make sure you have downloaded YouTube. If not, then you want to simply open a device's respective app store. In the search box, you want to type in YouTube and then go ahead and download the first application which comes up on the list. So after we have downloaded and installed YouTube, make sure you are logged into your channel or the account of which you are trying to change the name of. So what we want to do is simply open our YouTube application right over here. Once you open a YouTube application, on the top right hand side of the screen you will be able to see your profile picture. So you want to simply tap on your profile picture right over here. And at the top of the screen, you can also tap on manage your Google account if your YouTube channel is linked with a Google account. In most cases, it is already linked, but in this video, you want to simply tap on this your channel option at the first. As you go to your channel option, it will show you your channel. If you have uploaded any videos, then all of it is going to be shown up here. So if you want to change your channel name, on the right hand side, on the manage video section, you will be able to see this pencil-like icon at the top. So we want to simply tap on this pencil icon. As you tap on pencil icon, at the top of the screen here, it will ask you to change your name. The first, we have the option called name. So if you want to change your channel name, on the right hand side, you can simply tap on this pencil icon. As you tap on your pencil icon, here you can simply enter your new name which you want to use. Once you do that, at the bottom you'll be able to see a button called OK. You can tap on OK and your name will be successfully changed. A bonus tip, you can also add a description, and you can also keep all of your subscriptions private as well as your saved playlist private, and you can also change the profile picture at the top of the screen. So in this way, you can really easily change the name of your YouTube channel or your YouTube channel name. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.